concept called as named parameters. With named parameters, we'll complete the HQL operations as well. And in next class, we'll start Hibernate query criteria language. So, Hibernate criteria query language. See, let us all try to start with a new concept. Let me remove the necessary things. Next, t.commit is fine. Everything fine, guys. Let me check with the clear. So let us all try to start a new concept called as named parameters. With this, we'll complete HQL, Hibernate query language. Public static void main. Public static void. Public static void. Update product using update product named parameters. See, instead of before proceeding to the particular update, let me insert 3 more records. Please and run the code again. Let me insert 2 more records, guys. Let me insert 2 more records for add product. Let me add clothes and any shirt regarding to clothes. Category is equal to clothes. Let me give an enter ID is equal to 8. Let me name it as a shirt. Name it as a clothes. Categories as a clothes. Cost is equal to 300 or 400. Stock 100. Status true. Next, same thing, add watch or else anything. Watch. Gadgets. Product cost should be 3,400. Stock 1, 2, 3. Status is equal to true. Inserted successfully. Let me check the. Okay, it's working fine. Continue this concept. See. Whatever the thing which I have done for the positional parameters update product, same will be done for the positional parameters. Okay, same will be done for the positional parameters. What is should be done using scanner class sc is equal to new scanner of system.in. We need to take ID for the update process. Let me take enter product ID, enter product ID into PID. Into PID sc dot PID. So based on PID, I'm updating my let me update my name as no. Let me update my name. What should I update? Let me update vegetables stock, vegetable cost and status. Let me update vegetable stock and status. Okay, stock and status, right? Let me take stock first. Enter product stock. Stock is given b stock is equal to sc dot next int. Let me take values. Enter product status. Enter product status. So let me take the status also. Boolean p status of is equal to sc dot next boolean. Clear, guys? Next boolean. So as of now, we have taken input from the user. We are going to mention everything in mutation query. So let us all take the concept of mutation query, control space, mutation query. Query is my object name. Query is equal to session dot creates mutation query of double quotes of update product set stock is equal to in name itself it is mentioned as a positional. We completed the positional parameters as well, but in name itself it is showing as a named parameters. See, named parameters, name, it should be named, guys, it should be named parameters. In place of name, in place of question marks and colon, we need to use as colon, question mark, no, colon is equal to, you can also use Swami. Okay, you can also use Swami. Next, stock completed. Let me take status now. Status colon is equal to Swami Sita. Let me take Sita. Where uh where ID where is my ID? Where ID colon is equal to Rama. Where ID colon equal to Rama. What is why I use this all these names, guys? Why I use names? So instead of question marks, we can directly use question. This is called. We can directly use square. What we call. We can directly use these things, guys. Names. We can use any name. We can use any name. So let me use this thing. Let me execute now. What we need to do? We need to set those parameters. We need to set parameter of for what for Swami. See, for Swami, what I need to set for Swami, I need to set p stock. Next, for Seta, what I need to set parameter of p status. P status clear. So based on ID, I am updating the record. Set parameter of Rama. Rama is my parameter name. So based on Rama is nothing but my ID. My Rama is my ID. This ID should match with this ID to update these values. In case my ID is not matching with the existing ID in the database, my ID will not be updated. So ID not found simply. So let me check with this PID. Let me execute now. Int n is equal to query dot execute update t dot commit c t dot commit. Let me check with the condition p dot uh, system.println greater than 0. Product record updated successfully. Product record updated successfully. Record updated successfully. Let me write the else condition also. What is the else condition should be executed? Product ID not found. If any person is not given the wrong ID number, this case will be executed. Session ID not found. Let me close the session dot close sf dot close. See, let me execute this code now. Let me go to the my switch case condition system.println. Let me take this name direct update name using named parameters. Update name using named parameters. Let me check with this 8 also. Let me change this to 8. Let me copy this, paste it here. Instead of break statement, let me change it to 7. Update parameters based on named parameters. Clear. Let me execute now. If any error occurs, we'll rectify now. No issue. If any error occurs, we'll rectify now. Based on update parameters, I need to update, right? So 7th option, update product using named parameters. So let me enter product ID. It is asking me to enter ID. Let me change. Let me take 6 as my ID. 6. Enter. As of now, I have stock as 100. I will change this to 0. My stock should be 0. If my stock is empty, my condition is false. Okay. Sorry. Only one thing I forgot is colon is equal to colon, guys, not colon equal to. It should be colon, not colon equal to, it should be equal to colon. It should be equal to colon. Okay. Equal to colon. Okay, guys. Let me execute now. Let me execute now. Seventh is my option. 6 is my product ID. 6 is my product ID. Stock will be going to be 0. If my if my stock is 0, my status automatically will be in false condition. See, my product record updated successfully. See, let me execute now. Let me check with the, see. Okay. My product stock as came to from 25 to, it was changed to 0. Okay, perfect. It was changed from true to false. It is perfect, guys. It is perfect. It is perfectly working. So let me use the same method for the method called as deleting. Public static void delete product, delete product named parameters, delete product named parameters. Let me check with the same file lines of code again and again. Let me print this values. Let me take the scanner class. Sc is equal to new scanner of system.in. Let me check. Let me take the ID to based on ID number. So let me check with the ID. Enter product ID. Let me check the ID. PID is equal to sc dot next in sc dot next in. It is working fine. Let me take mutation query to update itself. Mutation query is equal to session dot create mutation query of in double quotes delete from product, delete from product where ID equal to colon Lakshman. You can also give any name. You can, in place of Lakshman, you can also give Rohit. You can give any name, guys. You can give any name instead of writing any. You can also use V1, A, B, C, D. You can also use single alphabet V, V2, V3, V4, Q1, Q2, Q3. You can use any alphabet, any number, anything. Okay. So you can also use any numbers, any names also. Okay. Don't use numbers because numbers will be used for the positional parameters concept. We are not discussing positional parameters. We are discussing named parameters. Named parameters is different. Positional parameters is different. For positional parameters, we need to use equal to question mark 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. For named parameters, we need to use equal to colon my named parameter name. Clear, guys? Next. Let me give that, let me set that ID, set parameter of 1 comma 1 comma what's 1 ID. Done. Now in 10 is not ID, sorry, PID. So if n in 10 is equal to in 10 is equal to query dot execute update t dot commit. Let me check with the if condition. If n greater than 0, if n greater than 0, product record deleted successfully. Product deleted successfully. Let me rename it to product record. If in case my product ID is not there means let me write the code it as product ID not found. Product ID not found. So clear. As of now, as my code was clear, session dot close, sf dot close. So let me go to my main method. Let me check with the code system.println. Delete product using named parameters. Let me change this to exit 8 to, let me change this to exit 9. Let me change this code now. Where is my code? Let me change this to case 7 to case 8. Case 9. Delete parameters is on named parameters. Let me delete the 8th one, guys. 8th one. See, let me delete 8th one, guys. We need to maintain only true condition and false condition. In my case, I have true condition and false condition, but we have one extra true condition also. Let me delete this 8th condition. My 8th condition is ID is equal to 8. Let me give my ID as 8. Let me execute this code now. Uh, let me give my delete product using named parameters 8th choice. Let me enter and let me give my ID as 8. It should ask my product ID. Enter product ID is equal to 8. Guys, we are maintaining named parameters. So we need to maintain, we need to give that particular name should be where it should be clear, guys. See, clear గా ఇచ్చేసింది ఇక్కడ. నువ్వు 1 యూస్ చేస్తున్నావు, అన్ఆర్డినల్ పారామీటర్స్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నావు. నువ్వు యూస్ చేసిన పారామీటర్ రోహిత్, కానీ ఇక్కడ నువ్వు సెట్ చేస్తున్న పారామీటర్ 1 కి. 1 is not పొజిషనల్ పారామీటర్స్ గా రికగ్నైజ్ చేస్తారు. సో ఎర్రర్ కూడా చాలా క్లియర్ గా చదవండి. ఎప్పుడు ఎర్రర్ కూడా చాలా క్లియర్ గా అర్థం కావాలి. లెట్ మీ గివ్ మై ఎంటర్ as 8 choice. It should ask my enter ID to enter product ID to delete. My ID is equal to 8. Enter. Product record deleted successfully. Okay. Product record deleted successfully. My record deleted successfully is fine. This is the entire concept of HQL operations, guys. So as part of today's class, I have completed entire operations of HQL. A partial object, aggregate functions, parameter, positional parameters, and named parameters. I have shown you how to update your product using positional parameters as well as named parameters. And I have shown you how to delete your particular record using positional parameters as well as named parameters. Aggregate functions are nothing but save, sum, cost, update, minimum, average, maximum, all these things. And partial count is nothing but displaying only some objects, some records. అంటే రికార్డ్స్ లో ఉన్న ఒక 2 to 3 ఫీల్డ్స్. ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర ఐడి, నేమ్, ఏజ్, లొకేషన్ ఉంటే నీకు అన్ని ప్రాపర్టీస్ అవసరం లేదు. నా రికార్డ్ లో నీకు ఓన్లీ 1 ఐడి, నేమ్ కావాలి. సో ఐడి, నేమ్, ఓన్లీ సమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. ఒక రికార్డ్ లోంచి ఒక 2-3 ప్రాపర్టీస్ సరిపోతాయి. కంప్లీట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఒక రికార్డ్ లోంచి అన్ని వాల్యూస్ కావాలి నీకు. ఐడి నుంచి లొకేషన్, ఆడ ఎన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఉంటే ఆ రికార్డ్ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని కావాలి. కానీ పార్షియల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి? రిట్రీవింగ్ ఓన్లీ సమ్ పర్టికులర్ డీటెయిల్స్. ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర ఐడి, నేమ్, లొకేషన్, ఏ శాలరీ ఉంటే కంప్లీట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే అన్ని వచ్చేస్తాయి. పార్షియల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే ఐడి, నేమ్, శాలరీ సరిపోతాయి. అంటే రికార్డింగ్ అలా మనం అలా రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం అనమాట. క్లియర్ గైస్? దిస్ ఈస్ ద కోడ్ ఆఫ్ అంటే Hibernate HQL operations completed, guys.